I got Emery. Everyone, we have a snow day today, so we're off school. It is Wednesday. We might be off school, yes, tomorrow, who knows, but I sprained my knee. It's not in anything, like it's not in like a wrap or anything, but me and my mom think we sprained my knee or something because it's been hurting for the last couple days, and I don't know what's wrong with it, so we think we sprained it because it started hurting one time. It started hurting at recess when I was running at school, so I think I sprained it, and it hurts whenever I bend it and straighten it, so I don't know what to do with it. But yeah, guys, and putting in a wrap will just make it worse because that'll be bending it and straightening it, and it'll just ruin it. It'll just not be good. It'll just hurt my knee more. So I'm just gonna not put it in a wrap and just wait till it heals and be easy on it. But guys, so I didn't post yesterday because my laptop was about to. I was posting the video and I fell asleep while it was posting, and I woke up this morning and my battery was almost dead on my laptop and it said share failed, so it probably didn't work because the share failed and it didn't let me post it because the battery was about to die. There's my sister. But guys, today we're going to be making some slime, and we are going to be making clear slime, blue clear slime. So yeah, once again, sorry that I didn't post yesterday. For some reason my laptop didn't post my video, maybe since my laptop was about to die when I woke up. But guys, let's just get straight onto this vlog. So guys, as I said, we're making some clear blue slime. So we don't need the shaving cream now, but we're gonna add our clear glue like a regular slimer would. Today is vlog day 49. We're adding our clear glue. Cool, right, Em? Okay. So now we are going to add, I don't need the solution anymore. Now we're going to add this blue dye. Tori's probably going to call me now. Ooh, that's just so pretty, guys. Comment down below if you think that's like the prettiest thing in the world, because don't come over here, Em, because I think that's the prettiest thing in the world. Now they're both in. I'm just going to join them, but sneak into the hands. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I just said hi to them. But yeah, guys, now we are going to add our laundry detergent. So we're adding our laundry detergent. Hey, Ari, I'm doing a YouTube video right now. So see, guys, this is what we have right now. Some clear glue. Alright, now we're going to add our laundry detergent. No. Why? Because I don't have that much glue left. And Ari, I was planning on to make this for the video yesterday, but it didn't work, and my video didn't post. Okay, guys, so we're adding some laundry detergent to here. We're adding some laundry detergent to here, and yeah. Ready? Alright, now we're gonna mix. Okay, bye. Okay. mixing
I got it.
Guys, please stop Ariane. Tori.
You
Emery.
got it.
Alright, we're adding this to it. So, could you stop, Emery? It's not doing anything, guys. No. It's not doing anything. So, that was a fail. Emery, go away. That was a fail. So now we're going to add our shaving cream and just ruin the whole slime. So yeah. Go away, Emery.
No.
So we're ruining the slime.
Oh, you know what I meant?
Mix. So today we're making pearl fluffy slime.
Now it's slime, It's a
Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys when I get this into slime. Turns out we're making blue fluffy pearl slime. So yeah, that's good. So guys, I guess making slime with you don't have to anymore. Thank you though. Emery, go!
Emery, pizza?
I guess making slime with laundry detergent is a fail. See, it's hard and it's really, really sticky. And I don't know how to fix it. So guys, yeah, I'll see you later, cause making slime with laundry detergent, #fail. That's what today's vlog's called. I will see you guys later. So guys, it's nighttime. I hope you enjoyed me making, I don't even remember, but I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'll see you tomorrow for vlog day 50. I'm really tired. I'm watching My Babysitter's a Vampire. But guys, I will see you tomorrow for vlog day 50. And yeah, guys, love you so much. Subscribe and like, and live life to the fullest. Bye, guys. Enjoy. Awesomeness. Bye, guys. Love you. Wait, someone just texted. Bye, guys. Love you. And see you tomorrow. Bye.